up, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. For today's video, we are going to be installing my brand new Iron Man clutch into my Integra. I know I was supposed to be making some 8th gen SI content, but I'm waiting on a few parts to get in so we can start doing that. And I gotta wait till Randy goes back to work so I can mount the wheels and the tires onto the car. So until then, I've been doing some process of rebuilding the Integra again. So I no longer have Willwood calipers. I went back to OEM brakes until my new brakes system arrives. I got them from Fast Brakes, so if you ever heard of Fast Brakes, then you know exactly what I got, or something near what I got. So it's a very big, it was a huge purchase that actually kind of killed me, man. Like, it was a lot, and I legit messed up. I thought I can do it. I thought I would have, like, you know, the grace to do it, but I didn't. So now I'm recuperating from that, but the Integra's already in the air. I already got the wheels off, which I actually bought Iron X remover. So I should be cleaning the wheels here fairly soon. So that should be cool. I have no calipers on the car, playboy. So another reason why I'm removing the transmission in order, well, you have to remove the transmission to do your clutch, but the goal was to remove the transmission anyway so I can tap my 1, 2, 3 holes threads. As you see, the tap is already there. I guess when I was doing that mount stuff, something just didn't want to work with me, so I ended up stripping out threads. It's a lot. It's a lot, but I'm maintaining. So Randy's on his way here. We're gonna get this transmission out and yeah, put you guys on a time lapse. I've done this countless thousands of times, so you guys are not missing nothing special. I'm probably going to time lapse this entire thing until I get the transmission out and all that stuff, and then resume scheduled video once you know, we get some more progress done, other than dropping the transmission that I always do in every single video. So all right. All right, we got the old clutch out. This is the stage 3 that I've been running in my car for the past 3.5 years. Decided to change it. I was starting to have a little not slippage, but my clutch was getting soft. And when I was loading up on the trailer to go tune with Fred that one time, I had to ride the shit out of the clutch, pause. And it was smoking, like it was bad. So it's time to replace it, but it's still holding on strong. Like, it didn't slip on the dyno, none of that stuff. But just time to re-replace for an Iron Man. Go with a better clutch for track applications. But yeah, this helped me. This held me down, playboy. Facts. Yeah, I went from 235 to 255. Now it's a 486 and no issues over the last 3.5 years. Pressure plate still the same. Never replaced the pressure plate. I mean, it's worn. It's definitely worn, but no issues. Action clutch, son.
I guess it's normal wear and tear.
Yeah, no, I mean, shit, yeah. 3.5 years. 4 years with track views, daily driving.
And first you driving?
Yeah, y'all know I can't drive for shit. So that did me well, playboy. Now it's time to unbox that Iron Man and get the Iron Man installed.
That's the truth.
Facts. Randy shit nice. Alright, so I went ahead and wrinkle black painted the gearbox because I was bored and needed a refresh. So it's wrinkle black painted. Yeah, it came out good. And I went ahead and re-tapped these because these were bad. So I got some new steel bolts for those. They're gonna rust right away, but that wrinkle black is fire. So, sweet. Now it's time to install it. Oh, I haven't triggered Randy's new wheels. What? We got the same setup. And now it's time to put the gearbox on. He said he wants.
He don't want water. He wants something he could.
You need some juice, bro.
Bro, it's fucking hot, right?
You need water.
She said he need water. He said no.
I want water, bro. I want juice.
Get in the house.
Don't tell me what I need. I know what
You need some water, you fat ass.
And what's this purple thing in the fridge? Kool-Aid?
That's tea.
Never mind.
Just get some water, bro.
Bro, all you need is a cup of water.
Oh man, it's time to put this clutch in. So that's what I'm gonna do right now.
Moving without moving, pure crush grooving. Right on track, right on and I'm back. Rap X slacks, yeah, I be pooing on them. Damn right, Mr. Cuddy, he be dipping on them. Say it loud, y'all want the new explorer like Dora, that's how I got a clue to. So fucking underground, barely on YouTube. Till day and night, now they all got a clue who. Took me a minute, man.
Freddie! I think the car might do be a little bit higher.
Yeah, that shit like it's higher, bro.
Alright, so what we'll do is put on the jack and then we'll just raise up.
I mean, you don't want to get the jack? You need to kick the jack over there.
Just kick it outside. You want the jack, Fred?
Yeah, this might actually be
That was the problem earlier. You don't want to take it off. I mean, you got to take the bumper out to get it off.
negative.
Yeah, the pipe's in the way.
God damn, bro.
My bad, big dog.
Hey, you created that bitch's mouth too, just like that. Get out of breath. No, we need to hit the gym, bro.
Fred don't believe in the gym no more, bro.
That bitch still paying membership too.
He's still paying $10 a month. That's it?
Oh no, but your wires.
I'll be out of breath.
Oh my god, my back. Oh my back. Oh fuck. Oh shit. Dog, why I came over here today, bro? I should have said my fucking house, bro. Oh fuck, bro.
This nigga's allergic to working, bro.
This shit ain't funny, bitch. Brad was meant to be rich.
Bad, bro.
My back hurt, bro.
Oh, man, my fingers hurt. Oh, that bitch. Oh, look, that's it, bitch.
I told you.
Yeah, that's it. That been folded, bro.
My stomach hurt.
My fender folded, bitch. That been folded under pressure, bro. My fender's. My fender's pulling the logic, bitch. That bitch under pressure.
That shit won't go in.
Cause you got lower the jack. You gotta let him spin it. Alright, I mean, you good?
Do I look like I'm good?
Lower the jack, Percy.
Bro, look at the fender,
Percy, lower the jack.
No, there's something wrong, bro. I don't think that's it.
Dog.
Oh no, you straight, bro. See? There you go. Just gotta give it a little bend, back. Boom.
They on bees, man. That boy on bees.
I bet my friend all the time.
He gonna bend that shit right back again.
That big got contractions in his stomach. Yeah, I old. You good, bro?
That won't go in, bitch.
I've been dying, oh.
Damn.
I felt my eyes swinging.
Holy shit. Fred, get it in, bro. Fred tired, man.
I've been dying.
God.
Yeah, I think you gotta spin it. You gotta rotate.
Oh,
Yeah, you gotta rotate. You off.
fuck.
This bitch pregnant.
Nah, bro. Nah, bro. I'm buying the shot.
Alright.
What you doing with that?
I'm trying to stand on it, but ain't no room to lay this bitch down.
Yeah, there was.
We gonna scratch.
My wheel?
I wanna scratch it.
Nah, big tire, you can crash the wheel. Damn, my teeth clap, dude. You got this, Whoa. I believe in you, Randy. You need to lower the jack. What I see? Lower it. Okay, jack it up. Is it on? No. Oh. This ain't the subframe.
I think it's the fucking clutch. It's not going in the spine all the way. You sure you aligned it right?
Mm-hmm. The thing go in there now.
You testing with the tool?
Yeah. Okay. That's how I gotta cut. I mean, it was a bitch. I don't wanna fuck it up.
Remember how much it was?
Yeah. It was like this, right?
Work.
Oh, y'all use bolts.
Yeah.
But we can't get it in though.
So it is the next day. Not a lot of work got done today because I wasn't home, and then when I got home, I went to go mount. If you guys can see, the tires that are usually here, they're not here anymore. I went to Randy's job to go mount the 57 DRs with the Falcons tires, so that's all taken care of. Now, if you guys see, I have my diffuser off somewhere over there. You probably can see it. I don't know, probably not, but my brackets took a doo-doo. So a homie sent me some DC5 brackets that I believe should work. Maybe they don't have to be that long. I don't know. They probably, I don't know. I gotta figure it out. But I cut these. Well, I drill those to fit this bracket. So maybe it'll work. It might the diffuser might sit a little bit higher, or it can sit lower if I decide to go into production with these ones. I'm trying to get these brackets made so like if any other homies go bad, I have them on hand to sell for cheap. You know what I mean? Whatever it costs me to get them, probably charge 10% over so I can make a little bit of money if I'm going out of my way to do all this stuff. Gotta make money, man. I have mortgage now. Didn't tell you about that. Gotta keep some money flowing. But all in all, with the Integra, it's solid. I'm actually gonna be replacing my slave cylinder and my master with hybrids. CMC and the slave. But for this video, that's pretty much it. I gotta take off the suspension, and you guys can't see it, but I gotta take off the suspension so I can get the axle off, so I can fix the boot on it. The boot's leaking and it's spewing grease everywhere, and that is trash. Don't want to have that happen, so gotta do that. And hopefully somebody can do that tomorrow. All in all, that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I know it wasn't nothing special. Can't wait to drop my birthday video, man, so I can tell y'all what's possibly gonna happen with me and this whole YouTube thing. Yeah, so all in all, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, leave a like on the video. Subscribe if you want to. Leave a comment. That helps boost my channel so other channels, I can be featured on other channels recommended and stuff like that. But that's probably asking too much anyway, so you ain't gotta do it. But all in all, I'll be sure to catch you guys in the next one. I'm out. Peace.